Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing Nipple Fudge Sir Belch. Here's the box. Oh my gosh, look at him. It's adorable. Love the back. Love this box. Oh my gosh. He's like flexing his muscles. Love that one. Flexing his muscles. Oh my gosh, that one's taking like a selfie. That one's jamming to some music. Let's get him out. Check him out here. Oh my. Oh my gosh, he's adorable. There's the little buttons. He's cute. Oh my gosh, I love him. I'm so glad I got him. What do you guys think of him? You like him? Like the new nipple fudge? They're very interesting ones, I'll say that. I like them though. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about them, and like this video, share this video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you are, I appreciate you, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye bye.